Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. And today we are continuing our R2 build. We have issue 56 right here, and we have our parts, and it looks like we're going to be continuing with both the dome and the leg. So let's get this open and see what we got. All right, here are the pieces that you get with this issue. We have two more dome panels, with the larger silver one having two long double-sided tapes and the thinner one having three short double-sided tapes. We've got the power bus cable mounting plate and the outer foot casing, and you will need the left leg and dome assemblies so far. All right, for the dome panels, we're actually going to be starting where we began this little adventure, and we're going to be moving to the left with the thin one going here and the larger one going here. The double-sided tape will go at the top and bottom of this, and the top and bottom and middle of this. Obviously the shorter tape here, longer tape here. Alright, when you're done adding the tape, it should look something like this. And remember to take the brown paper off of the tape before, and be careful not to press on these, because these are still temporarily fitted. But remember to take the brown paper off before applying the panels. All right, and there you have it. Those two panels are installed and looking fabulous. Okay, for this next part of the assembly, you'll need the leg and the left foot cover, as well as two of the 6mm black screws. And this should just fit right over there. And you can see you've got these posts here, and that's gonna go in these 4 holes here when it's lined up correctly, just like that. And you've got screw holes right in the middle, and that's where the two 6mm screws are going to go. And there you have it. The panel is installed. Now you can take the power bus connector, and it doesn't really seem to be excuse me, it doesn't really, guess it is keyed a little bit. It's got a slightly wider edge, so you take the thin edge and you just slide that right in. Yeah, and that fits nice and snug and secure. And there you have it, everyone. Man, these things just like to fall out, don't they? The good news is it'll just slide right back in, and once we get the other half of the foot cover, it'll stay in place. But more dome detail here, and obviously more foot. So we are certainly making progress. Can't wait to get to the next issue. If you liked the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Have a great day.